What's the meaning of cocktail party? Cocktail party. Cocktail party.
Cocktail party. Cocktail party. A cocktail party is a social gathering where people come together to enjoy alcoholic drinks and hors d'oeuvres. The atmosphere is usually sophisticated and elegant, with guests dressed in formal or semi-formal attire. Conversation and mingling are key aspects of a cocktail party, as guests chat and network with one another. Music and ambience also play an important role, with hosts often selecting soft jazz or other relaxing tunes to set the mood. Overall, a cocktail party is a classy and enjoyable way to socialize with friends and acquaintances while enjoying delicious drinks and light appetizers.